বিএসএফ এর কাজের পরিসর বৃদ্ধির বিষয়ে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি হয়েছে বিএসএফ এর তরফ থেকে। সরাসরি চলে যাচ্ছি।
I'll request all of you, we have issued a press note with the details. It has been distributed.
I'll do it after.
नहीं कर दीजिए ना, पहले उसको साथ में कर दीजिए, so that I can refer to it. As you are aware, Border Security Force Act was enacted in 1968. Section 139 of the Act is the relevant section. Wherein powers and duties of the members of the force have been prescribed, and it has also been stated under what acts BSF can be empowered and in what manner. And accordingly, over a period of time, several notifications were issued under Criminal Procedure Code, Passport Act, Passport Entry into India Act 1920, and some other acts as well. In these acts, jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the context of state of West Bengal was provided as 15 kilometer. Recently, on 11th October 2021, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has notified 3 separate notifications. One notification is under Criminal Procedure Code 1973. The second notification is under Passport Entry into India Act 1920. Third notification is under Passport Act 1967. In these notifications, the jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the state of West Bengal, Assam and Punjab has been extended up to 50 kilometers, and in the state of Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, the jurisdiction of Border Security Force covers the whole state. As you are aware, Border Security Force is the first line of defense of the country and is mandated to guard and secure our international border along Pakistan and Bangladesh. Eastern Command is mandated to look after the Eastern Theatre that is along our international border with Bangladesh, which spans over approximately 4,142 kilometers. Border Security Force has very limited power under these acts. That is power of search, seizure and arrest. Border Security Force is not a investigating agency. In whatever search, seizure is made at the border, whosoever is apprehended, they are handed over to the concerned law enforcement agency. In offences under Foreigners Act 1967, Foreigners Act Entry into India 1920 and some other acts, the seized property as well as the apprehended person is handed over to the local police. We have a very comfortable relationship with the state police. There is synergy between state police, border security force and other law enforcement agencies at all levels. Time to time we interact, we share intelligence, information. At times we also conduct joint operations, both at the border as well as the hinterland. Now what I want to clarify is, as a result of the 3 notifications which I mentioned, jurisdiction of border security force in the state of West Bengal has been enhanced up to 50 kilometers. As has come out in some of the media reports, there is some apprehension that border security force will now start interfering with the law and order machinery in the state when the jurisdiction has been extended up to 50 kilometers.